Hey, crypto family and friends. This is Deep Spate coming to you from the Crypto Bootcamp 1 channel. Today we're going to get into the Fear and Greed Index. But before we do that, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you on board. Now, what is the Fear and Greed Index? The Fear and Greed Index is disseminated by alternative.me. That is alternative.me. They do a daily number which correlates to the market sentiment. Now let's take a look at it and we'll give it a good definition and we'll go into it a little bit. All right, so today's Fear and Greed Index is reading a cool 58, which is greed. That indicator would be used to analyze perhaps making a sell or a buy in the market. Now let's take a look at the definition of what this Fear and Greed Index is all about. Why measure fear and greed? The crypto market behavior is very emotional. People tend to get greedy when the market is rising, which results in FOMO, or fear of missing out. Also, people often sell their coins in irrational reaction of seeing red numbers. With this Fear and Greed Index, they try to save you from your own emotional overreactions. And there are two simple assumptions. One assumption is extreme fear, which can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. Secondly, when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Therefore, according to alternative.me, they analyze the current sentiment of the Bitcoin market and crunch the numbers into a simple meter from 0 to 100. 0 means extreme fear, while 100 means extreme greed. And so, that is a primer, if you will, on the Fear and Greed Index. So what did the Fear and Greed Index do yesterday? It was neutral. And the day before, or last week, shall I say, it was greed. Last month was extreme fear, meaning what? Creating perhaps buying opportunities. Because what? Those assets or coins were at a depleted cost. So if you were to make a purchase today during a Fear and Greed Index of 58, you may be paying a little bit more for those coins and assets than you would have during the greed cycle or extreme fear cycle, which was last month. So some of this works in an inverse arrangement. When it's green, things look as though they're good, but for a buyer and a long-time hodler, you may find these coins to be a bit more expensive. So, do your own research, as I always say, and this is not investment advice at all. This is just me sharing with you how to utilize a instrument that can help you determine if you want to sell, buy, or hold. So this is Deep Spate with the Crypto Bootcamp 1 channel. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.